Hey everyone! Today we have a 6-minute anti-wrinkle gua sha massage for eye and forehead area. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin and use a clean gua sha. So first we start with a quick warming up massage. First, start tapping under your eyes for 10 seconds, slowly and gently with your fingertips. The second exercise is to go in circular motions around your eyes with your fingertips for 10 seconds. And lastly, massage on your temples to open the lymph nodes in this area for 10 seconds, gently. Now we can start. The first exercise is for crow's feet. With your gua sha and your fingertips, start to move in opposite directions, gently stretching the skin in this area. Keep doing this for 10 seconds on each side. This gentle massage will unfold any wrinkles and fine lines in this area. It will also reduce eye pressure, eye strain, and tension headaches. Next massage is for eye puffiness and hooded eyes. Put one hand on your forehead and stretch the skin slightly. With the other hand, move your gua sha over your brows slowly and gently for 10 times. This easy move will reduce any stagnant fluid over your eyes and reduce puffiness. It will also relax eyebrow muscles and help them to go back to their normal length. Next, we go to eye lift. With your gua sha, start to vibrate and move upwards into your scalp for 30 seconds on each side. Your pressure should be light and be gentle on the skin. As you are moving into your scalp, you are opening the lymph nodes in this area, reducing puffiness in the eye area, relaxing the muscles and lengthening them. As a result, your eyes will look lifted. You can see the lift in my eyes and brows after doing these exercises. Next, we go to our frown lines. Move your gua sha slowly upwards, sliding it with a light pressure on the middle of your forehead. Keep doing this for 10 times slowly. This move will warm up the muscles in this area, helping the frown lines and wrinkles to reduce. Next move is for horizontal lines and wrinkles on the forehead. Slide your gua sha gently on one side of your forehead for 15 seconds and then go to the next side. This easy move will lift the eyes and brows and reduce any wrinkles, especially horizontal lines on your forehead. Now we go to vertical lines. Put one hand on your forehead and with the other hand, slide your gua sha slightly and slowly for 10 times on the other side of your forehead. Do this for 10 times on each side of your forehead. This easy exercise will reduce muscle tension. As a result, your eyebrows will lengthen and frown lines will reduce. And lastly, to finish up this routine, we go to forehead lift exercise. With one hand, lift your forehead skin, and with the other hand, slide your gua sha smoothly and slowly all over your forehead for 1 minute. Your pressure should be medium. Be careful not to make any wrinkles on your forehead. This exercise will reduce any lines. It will lift the forehead. As a result, your eyes and brows will lift. This exercise is also one of the lymphatic drainage exercises, helping to reduce and remove any stagnant fluid and toxins from the face, moving them towards the scalp. So this was it for today's anti-wrinkle and anti-aging exercise. Hope it was helpful. See you next video. Bye!